Alright, so the game that we've built from Platformer 101 is pretty good so far. We've got a bunch of features in here. What we want to do now is tidy up how this animation works. It's pretty basic. There are a few other animations we can use, and there's a nicer way of running this as well. We've got a dying animation, we've got a jumping animation, we've got a falling animation, we've got a wall sliding animation, and there are some other animations as well that we could use a bit later on. Let's go and improve the way our animations work. So I'm going to edit the script on my player. I'm currently running my animations when keys are pressed and released. We're going to replace this system, so let's drag out these animation blocks. And we can just throw those in the trash. Now we're going to set up an animation function. We're going to create this function that will constantly run and make sure that the correct animations are playing. So we want to find our constantly loop, which is here, and we want to add a function in here at the bottom. So go to functions and grab out this do something block. Now a function is a chunk of reusable code, and we can reference this chunk and we can say, hey, function, I want you to run. This defines a new function. Let's name this play correct animations. Now whatever we put in here we can tell to run. The way that we can do this is with a block from functions. We've got our new block here, play correct animations. So let's drag that out into constantly down there. So constantly whatever we put in here will be running. Let's make some space here, and then we can right click, clean up blocks. So how do we want this to work? Well, it's going to check the conditions that the player is in and play the correct animation. So it'll ask, am I standing still? Am I falling? Am I moving left or am I moving right? And then it'll play the correct animation accordingly. There's going to be a lot of if, else, if blocks in here.